Dear friends, in this video, I will talk about how to use Visual Studio 2019 for writing our C programs. First of all, click File, then go with your mouse cursor on New, then click Project. This will let us to create a new project. And here you can see create a new project window. Actually, on this window, I want to choose empty project. But we need to be careful because this empty project should be related with C++ and console application. And here I'm using Windows operating system, so Windows operating system. After you choose it, click Next. And you can see another window that you can configure here your project by giving a different name to your project or change the location of your project, but I will keep them as default. And let's create the project. It may take a few minutes. Okay, the project is created. Here I can see my project in the Solution Explorer. We have related files here. I can see the files related with my project, but now it's empty project. Actually, I'm saying empty, but let me right click on project and choose open folder in File Explorer. And here you can see the files regarding your project. Of course, we have some files here, but the project is empty. I mean, we don't have source files inside that. Okay. So that's why I'm saying empty project, but physically it's not empty. Of course, we have some files. Okay, if you cannot see Solution Explorer window, for example, we don't have Solution Explorer window, it's not active now. You can click View and click Solution Explorer to activate your Solution Explorer window, so you can see your project. Then right-click on Project, okay, and click Add, and here you can say New Item. Then a window comes. In this window, be sure that C++ file is selected. Friends, we are going to write C programs. But here I'm choosing C++ programming language related things. But don't worry, the compiler will recognize our C program and it will execute it appropriately. Okay. Okay, choose C++ file and you can change the name of the file. Actually, this is source. I can make it a test here. Okay, I change the name of the file. Keep the extension as it is. It's C++ file extension. The location, okay, I will keep my project's default location here and say add. And I'm ready to write my C code. But before that, let me check Solution Explorer one more time. So you can see that your test CPP file is shown under source files. And even if you click this, right click on project and say open folder in File Explorer. So you can see your test CPP file here as well. Okay, then let me write a simple C program and then we can try it. I will say include stdio age. Okay. Integer name. And let me say print that everything is right. Turn 0. Okay. My code is ready. So you can save file. Let's run it. You can click local Windows debugger button here and you can run the code. And as you see, everything is great is written. You can click any key, close the window, and the program run appropriately. So everything seems really great. Have a nice day.